What are quilting needles? So quilting needles are specially designed for us quilters because they have a tapered point, a slightly rounded point, and that allows the needle to part and go through the fibres of your fabric easily. Why is this important? That is a great question, because when we are quilting, we go through multiple layers. We've got this top piece layer where there is not just the fabric itself, but all the seams as well. We have the wadding or the batting in the middle, and we have our bottom or backing layer. Now, our needle needs to be able to easily penetrate through all of these layers. Secondly, when we're quilting through these layers, a standard universal needle could possibly skip stitches. This is obviously not something that we want to happen when creating our beautiful quilting designs. So again, your quilting needle with its taper tip helps to prevent this happening. Oh, by the way, you need to increase your stitch length to either 3.0 or 3.5 mil when you're quilting, and that allows your stitch length to pass through all of those multiple layers. I hope this has helped. If it has, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, as this helps my video reach more people just like you who need some help. And if you want to know what quilting size is perfect to use for your machine, check out this video now.